Welcome back to my channel. I'm Reshu Singh, and today I'm going to share with you all some indoor plants, their benefits and uses. So first of all, we will see what indoor plant means. So let's see what is indoor plants. So indoor plants are amazingly acceptable and can be utilized in many different ways. It can enhance and refresh home ambience and decor. Indoor plants are chosen for their ability to tolerance of such indoor conditions such as low humidity, high temperature, low light, and absorbance of toxic gases. You can use indoor plants to give color to the room, to create refreshing and relaxing mood, or to purify the air. The first plant is snake plant. Snake plant is one of those plants known for both looking and improving air quality. It has number of health benefits like it filter indoor air even at night. This quality makes it an ideal plant for bedroom decor as it can help regulate healthy airflow. Apart from that, it also removes toxic pollutants. It requires little water to survive, that's why it's easy to grow. But you have to be a bit careful because their leaves contain a poison that can cause swelling and numbness on the tongue if eaten. So it's wise to keep this plant away from children and animals that are prone to nibble. And the second one is Areca palm. Areca palm is one of the most widely used palm in indoor plant. It prefers bright indirect light, so try to keep it near the window and near to balcony and door. Do not feed Areca palm plant too much water. It needs repotting every 2 to 3 years. It grows up 6 to 7 feet and its lifespan is about 10 years. It has also some health benefits like it works as air purifiers or indoor plant to clean the air. It absorbs the harmful gases from the environment and make the environment smooth, calm, clean and the third one is a spider plant. It is considered as a most adaptable indoor plant and easy to grow. It is available on green or other variety. It is also considered as a good purifier. It is one of the easiest grow plant as it can grow in various climate conditions even when neglected for days. Overwater or underwater, it grows well in both low light and part sunlight. It increases humidity in environment, decrease the risk of several airborne diseases and help increase concentration and productivity. And the fourth one is jade plant. Jade plant is considered as a symbol of good luck. It has a small circular leaves with white and pink flower. It needs proper and full sunlight, so keep it near the window and near the door. Give proper water after few 2 to 3 days when the soil has completely dry. It requires very low maintenance and provide positive mental health and also use as a air purifier. And the fifth one is rubber plant. Rubber plant is used to produce rubber. Rubber plant like bright light. They naturally grow in moist and cloudy weather. It has lots of health benefits like it has no allergic property, helps in purify air, it requires low maintenance. You can water it once in a month. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It can also use to treat skin issues like skin rashes. And the sixth one is pothos. Pothos plants are one of the easiest plants to grow and actually grow in low light. It can grow without soil and only in water. It has calming effect. These plants serve to purify the air from the aldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide, also helping eliminate odors. It can also help alleviate eye irritation after long days of staring. Philodendron is a plant from Areca family that looks very great and can really add charm and appeal to indoor spaces. It can use as an air purifier, remove formaldehyde from the environment and make the environment very calm, cool, clean and Anthurium is a beautiful indoor plant with red flower. This plant is a decorative indoor plant prefer warm humid condition, lower temperature, indirect light and proper aerated soil for its growth. This plant is listed as NASA studies for its ability to remove pollution like formaldehyde, toluene, and ammonia from the environment. Succulent plants are plants that are thickened and fleshy and it hold water in it and retain water in arid climate or soil conditions. It improve humidity of your home. It increase pain tolerance, enhance memory, add fresh oxygen in environment. Example of some succulents are cactus, jade plant, aloe vera, panda plant, snake plant, zebra plant, etc. Thank you. Bye bye.